Hey, if you have the phone calls issue with your Soundcore Space Q45, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So the first option to try, it will be to go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, like in my case, and when you are connected with your phone and the headphones, click on the settings icon and be sure that this call switcher is turned on. If this doesn't help you and you still have any calls issue, I can recommend you to perform the hard reset of your headphones. So first, get rid of the connection by clicking on the unpair button or forget button. Confirm. Now turn off the Bluetooth on your phone and just grab your headphones and locate two buttons. The power button, it's located right here next to this blinking indicator, and the second button, it's actually the volume up button. So now use two buttons combination when by the way, your headphones must be turned on, like in my case. Then click and hold on these two buttons and take a look for this indicator and wait until it starts blinking red. There we go. Right now it was blinking red for the 3 times and I can finally release both buttons, and now it starts blinking blue, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. So next, you have to repair your headphones by opening the Bluetooth settings, turning them on, and clicking on the Soundcore Space Q45 headphones. Accept the pairing, and now you can tell me if this method is working for you. And of course, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.